the things practically. Let me take my example. So the things given practically to the students shape their future. Okay. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Do we have the material? Material is there. Then creating PPTs, documents, and sheets. So let's start with PPTs. Yes. So creating PPT with Canva. So internet is a little bit slow here. एक बार हार्दिक का अपना हॉटस्पॉट लेना. मैं उसका भी आपको elaborate कर रहा हूँ. So please focus. So now ma'am is typing her own topic. जब आप ग्रेड के साथ पुट करना थोड़ा सा पर्टिकुलर हो जाएगा. Okay, so first of all you have to find the template. Template means to say which topic you want to create, and you can use here a few words to your topic. Give me any topic related to any subject.
Interdisciplinary approach.
Interdisciplinary approach. Okay. We need to create a PPT on interdisciplinary approach. Nice. Very nice. So huge round of applause for all these three teams for creating it. Okay. Let's move to our purpose. Next purpose. Lights.
लाइट्स ऑफ कर दीजिए. लाइट वो सर कहाँ से
Okay. So let's move. We are short of time. We are short of time now. So I will show you so many. अब आपका माइक.
Sir, it's based on the.
थोड़ा क्लोज रखो मैम उसको.
So it's based on the principle of levers.
हाँ. Yeah, and force and motion is quite different. Yes.
And effort.
Very right, ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause. Okay, so as I have shown you this video, last video, how many of you can relate with which law of physics is explained in that video? Which law of physics? In the previous video, related to physics. Working with resistors, Ohm's law. Yes. Now you can connect. So see, it becomes very theoretical for the students when he or she reads out the Ohm's law. And talking about resistors, even I was in guided science convert करते हैं, and it is downloadable in MP4. Right? So just like these are the avatars available, see avatars है, different avatars, male avatars. Visible है सबको? Okay. I am taking some 1 to 3 avatars which are available. Yeah, I just take this one and use this avatar here, and now you have to, okay, any of you please come and jot down your script here. What do you want him to speak about the topic? Create a program on plotting of points. Fourth grade?
Grade 9.
Good. Grade 9. So now it is going to write a program for the same. See how simple it is. And you can run this program into the Python window and you will get the output also. Relevant content. Many of the concepts relate with the robotics also in that. The students can also opt for robotics as their career. I will show you a real life experience of a person who created a drone at 14 years of age. Do you know his name? 14 years of age. Okay, so I'll introduce that person later. So let's start with the basic. So students who learn physics with the real life examples actually grabs the interest in it. And holding interest in physics and maths, they can even come up to that level wherein they have interest in robotics someday, going up to 4th or 5th standard or 8th standard. So let me give you, a brief of a video where the basics start for the students and how it is to be inculcated as per STEM, right? जैसे ये कराया जा रहा है स्कूल में. Okay, it is taking the topic into different manners, in different approaches. So let's mention here as per NEP. Now it will relate with the content more. You can present full screen and here you can share also. So download also available. Got it? Okay. So who wants to come and create a PPT by Canva? Okay, nobody will use mobile. We will be doing practicals here only. Please put down your mobile. Mobile is not allowed throughout this session. Otherwise this live implementation will be a waste of time for us. Yes, please leave your mobile phones. Yeah. And even then internet speed will competition of making tower making competition. Not with the marshmallows, actually you can have the thermocols also. Small pieces of thermocols, they can insert the pins into, the toothpicks into, and they can create a tower. And you can reward the biggest tower making team also. Right? Interesting? So they will learn how to form the balance and on the different dimensions, how the structure works of different things. So I have more. Yeah. So we will work upon making this. I am having materials for you. Create a roller coaster. So ये आप लोग बनाएंगे. This is the challenge for all of you. Let's see who makes it first. पहले कौन बनाता है? So we will give you 5 minutes to make it. Or this is with newspapers. It is made. It is nothing out of that. Structure like generally concept like maths. Science technology. वैसे ही synchronize करते हैं. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 5. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 8. 2. Okay. Let's start. Let's do a final time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. कैसा है? बड़ा वार्म हो गया. Okay. So yes, there are some activities. आप कुछ activities मुझे बता चुके हो जो आप इसमें करवाते हो. Or some activities I would like to throw some light upon. So you can have balloon powered bags, food waste audits with students as this is activity करा सकते हैं. And you pasta covers and water filtration also. How water filtration takes place. I understand. So all these practicals are with little resources you can do that. All the minor resources होते हैं and very cost efficient resources. So that the students can get the concept behind the overall thing. So they can learn the concept. So here I'll begin with some of the balloon car. Balloon car is a kind of this practical experiment which can be done. You know Newton's law of motion, and learning outcome is project offers variety of learning outcomes, primarily science, technology, engineering and mathematics. As per mathematics, students will do measurement also. Dividing distance between both the beams, right? और वो Excel create करेंगे तो there is engineering also. They will create an Excel, right? So I will be just playing a video upon this topic. So you watch this video. It is very easy to create such things. This you had created with them. Very nice.
High frequency, high pitch, like this kind of.
Okay. So modulation of sound also you did with this.
Amplitude and frequency. This
Frequency.
was
Nice. Please give a huge round of applause for the effort she made. And anyone else who would like to share the way she shared about the physics? She did this experience.
Well, there are various activities that we can do. Like for example, we have a candle burning here right now. The flame is there. So using that also we can explain the various zones of the flame and then do various activities related to combustion also. Then friction, like for example, you're walking, holding the mic or whatever. So there are lots of things in the classroom
Okay.
which we can use all the time and then prepare specially also.
Great, ma'am, great. So this is called a real life examples. So as she introduces real life examples, but I am talking about the experimentation with the resources.
Well, I'll give you an example. In friction, what we did once was we took ice and then we have this problem in Shimla, right? So that ice is thrown on that, and you must have seen that they add these chains to the tires and all that. So we did that actual activity in the class by collecting material. They brought those small toy cars, no? And then on the snow, on one side we had sand, on one side we had normal cars, and we attached those rubber bands to that, and that we were able to.
Okay, great experience. Anyone else? Please, round of applause.
We also used to make working models on various life processes. So we also used to make various working models. For example, circulatory system is there. With the help of syringe, blood pressure can be maintained by using different colors, blue colored ink and red colored ink to show the oxygenated and oxygenated blood. Excretory system is also there. Nervous system is also there with the help of light. So we can make various working models on the various life processes.
Great. So please give a huge round of applause for Yes, so please give a huge round of applause. Okay, which group left? Which group is left? Two groups are left, 1 and 2. Okay, let's see मैम का कहाँ तक जाना है. अभी तक तो सबसे ज़्यादा दूर क्या है इस ग्रुप का? This group. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, so last group, yes ma'am. Give it a best try. Okay, great. So winner is this group. See, what does it describe? What does it describe is the integrated approach of this topic is force and motion. Catapults demonstrates the second law of motion, right? So then energy transformation, every action has equal and opposite reactions. जब आप इसको press कर रहे हैं, it is stretching and giving you a result, right? Then mathematical concepts also. आप angles वो कर रहे हैं. part of these activities. Hands-on learning and real-world application. So, these STEM career pathways for the students, that how come these things will be, in future help them to become some, successful person in their life. So they are introducing students to field, like biomedical engineering, software development, environmental science also they can study. Diverse pathways are there, agriculture, food, natural resources, engineering, health sciences, they can do. Then coding and robotics also they can do, science and mathematics. Integrated projects, robotic challenges, building robots to navigate, maze and perform tasks. Teaches physics and geometry. And then data analytics, using code to analyze scientific data, applying statistical methods. Then algorithm design, like developing algorithm to solve mathematical problems also. Have anyone tried to give interdisciplinary approach to the students in the classroom, where they are doing coding and they are solving math problems?
No.
Not yet.
We are not using coding.
Okay, Python teaching करते हैं 6-7 8 में. Python is not there.
9th onwards, sir.
9th onwards. Okay. Then teaching students science concepts and science calculations and formulas through coding. ये करवाया किसी ने? Science with coding. Okay. So this integration is required nowadays. This is called STEM. मैं आपको हमारा एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिखाता हूँ, AI Connect प्लेटफॉर्म. So उसमें हम कुछ प्रोग्राम्स रन करेंगे. These are basic programs on coding, and these can be inculcated into physics classes also, maths classes also, so that the students can learn to take output from the program. Because gone are the ages when people were taking output from the calculator. Now the era of taking the output is from the program. Otherwise, the students will never develop a habit of developing a code. When they do not know how to develop a code, then how come they will become inventor of the future? Showing the finger count of human hands, right? So the human hand will be in front of the camera and it will show the output, how many fingers are there in front of the camera. Just like an automated hand, robotic hand. आपने सिर्फ robotic hand देखा है? Robotic hand. पिक्चर में देखा, वैसे रियल में नहीं देखा. Now I would like to give you an example. आप पढ़ सकते हैं उसके बारे में. That there is one student aspirant who has created an gloves, hand gloves, robotic hand gloves, which can help the blind people. How they can help the blind people? What is the importance of STEM? There the existence of STEM comes. और वो बहुत young बच्चा है अभी, 8th standard का है. So how he created that? Because he had put the keypads of phone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, hash and star on these 12 portions of the fingers of that glove. Now, when the blind person wants to call someone, he or she can recall where is the 9, where is the 8, so they can dial the number and they can press the enter, and the call will go through that hand. And that hand is connected with a Bluetooth device with their phone. So this is how it is being done. उसके लिए एक वीडियो है वो दिखाऊंगा आपको. So this is how it proves the relevance. आप जो छोटे-छोटे प्रोग्राम्स बच्चों को कोड के थ्रू करवाएंगे, they will get interest into the tech-driven world in future, and creation will be possible for them, right? So मैं ये रन करता हूँ प्रोग्राम. I will show you its output. So it is so similar to creating that hand glove. So it is a basic step towards that. Yeah, here is the camera and here is my hand, and you see 5 fingers. It is showing 5 output. Yes. Then I am changing the number of fingers, 4. Now it is 4. Then I am changing up to 1 or 2. So it is giving the output about 5 to 4. Yeah. So it will give the output as much as numbers I have validated. So 3 okay?
Yes.
Two.
Now 1 will come. So this is a small experiment of AI and then how the students can learn different things through that and create different programs which can even be of invention in the world, right? When that person I was talking about, that boy 9 years ago developed the first drone which could detect the these landmines around the. Then he was so much appreciated. He was 14 years old at that time, and I have a video about him. I will show you later on. So that boy had signed with Gujarat government a contract of 5 crore rupees to create the technology for Indian Army. His name is Harshvardhan Zala, the boy's name. And in 2020, he created another technology for this Indian government, the armed forces. He created, the bomb diffuser, live bomb diffuser technology. How the live bomb can be diffused by a robot. So, and he is having, a company with the name of Robotics of his own. He became CEO of the company at his age of 14. You can search about him. This boy is from Gujarat. His name is Harshvardhan Zala. He is the biggest example of STEM. Okay, and you can search about this one rocket woman also, Miss Ritu. I forgot her surname. Rocket woman. She is the great inventor into this NASA about these things. So these are the examples I am giving because everything starts at schooling, the foundational stage, and it is important. It becomes important for the students to learn. मैम आप कौन सा concept कह रहे थे? Coordinate geometry grid. Okay. Coordinate geometry grid. So for which class?
Class 9.
Okay. Any specific topic you want to focus in coding on it?
Plotting of
There used to be big cards, right? So it will become interesting for the students to learn the things like this. Not only this topic, every topic. I am just imagining every topic now with their school will be STEM based when they will be teaching it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Nice. So let's go ahead. So primary teacher has come or okay, primary teachers are here now. Okay. Then I'll just discover other things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are here. So let me just give a brief of some activities based on primary level, class first to fifth. Teachers can integrate such activities, STEM-based activities into it. So we are making editable activity, right? So ma'am, आप topic दीजिए video उसको 10 cards at one time you can make 10 slides out of the PPT. So ma'am, you will be creating the topic. So topic name mention करिए पहले. So this is sustainable development goal. Goals. Okay. So see, she is generating outlines. You want to specify it for particular grade? Yeah. So generative AI is very strong at getting your input. So as specific your prompt will be, as specific your output will be, right? Otherwise, if you will just mention the topic on ChatGPT also, it will give the diversified knowledge about it, not the particular relevant content which you need grade-wise. So be particular about your prompt when you are putting the prompt. You must have 4 things in that. You must have the summary of the topic, please mention. You must have the summarized project name. So topic head, then Yes, now ma'am has created. Now there are subheads also. If you want to change some subhead or some heading, you can change on the slide. तो उसके हिसाब से वो content moderate कर देगा. This is having is that. अब मैम change कर रहे हैं. हाँ, no ma'am, you have to come down. There are many more features to explain. So, scroll down. Yeah. So now after all these goals, we have scroll down on sides. Yeah. So now it is having this. You can have the text context. Text context change कर सकते हैं आप. थोड़ा और scroll down. Text जो font है. Then आप यहाँ से select कर सकते हैं आपका theme, PPT का theme, and then images. It is very important thing. Images आपको कहाँ से लेनी है? So there are many sources of the images. Stock photos से लेना आपको, AI images और web images, animated GIF लेना आपको, तो वो भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. Yes, AI images you should try. Good. So then go down, scroll down. Yes. Now it is giving the image art style also. The image किस type की चाहिए आपको? A black and white picture or a strongly animated picture? What kind of pictures you want? So you want like this. So then these are many options. This can be specific, topic specific things only. And then now she is generating the PPT. No, yes, it is optional to provide extra keywords. So now it will generate 10 slides over here, and it can be downloaded also. Here it is sustainable development goals, a global call to action. Very nice. See how fast AI is working, and the manual works are just going to vanish. You don't need to do anything now for creating a PPT. It is that easy. And it is editable also if you want to add your knowledge. Because yes, as you all said, that yes, AI cannot replace us. You said that?
Yes.
But yes, let me add something to it. I'm just adding something to it. The people who are using AI technology will be replaced by those who are not using AI.
Yes.
It's not people which will be replaced by AI. It's the yes, actually. So people who are not learning AI technology will be replaced by those who are. So simply, it is there, and yes, because human brain also has its potential and its creativity, so people can add their content also into it, right? Okay, then download it. Present करिए यहाँ से ये present हो गया. Share, please share पे. In the share option, you have the leverage to download it, export पे आइएगा. Export ऊपर से third option. Now you can export it into PDF or PowerPoint. Yeah. And then Google Slides also you can, and then export PNGs also. Yani images of the slides also you can download. Now she is exporting the PowerPoint. And yes, Gamma app, some people have some misconceptions about the Gamma app, that there is only 3 credits available, after that they cannot use. See, it depends upon your usage. So whenever you will keep using it, again and again and again and again, then it will keep adding the free points, because they want that their free subscribers should not go away also. So वो re-add होते रहते हैं 300 credits. I have seen it every month they are giving free 300 credits on my login. That way I am able to develop this PPT. I have developed hundreds of PPTs in my workshops on Gamma app. So it's the most convenient platform. Okay, you wanted to share it? Yeah, it's shared, it's downloaded here, somewhere in my Gamma web page है, वहाँ पे download it. Yes, ma'am.
See, Peter, this is an AI generated image, and whenever an image or video is generated through AI, it's very difficult to distinguish between a real image and an AI generated image. So you can see in the first picture there are 6 fingers. So when an AI generates an image, it is very difficult to distinguish, but there are some deformities which we have to
Two hands also.
we have to see very carefully. There must be some very little
Thumb and two hands.
Yes, ma'am. You are.
Some kinds.
Okay. So here we are opening PPT clearly by ma'am. So what you can do, ma'am, for that, I would give you some suggestions.